Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax here on Lake Lanier. I am on board one of our brand new boats. Super excited to walk you guys through this one. This is our 2026 Sea Ray 360 SLX outboard. As you can see back here, 3 Mercury V10 425s pushing this boat. This thing is an absolute rocket ship. Like I said, super excited to walk you guys through this. So starting back here out on the sunbed, you're gonna have a massive lounger slash sunbed back here. You will have some flip down armrests. And then underneath this sunbed, you're going to have a massive storage compartment. As we move into the cockpit of the boat, you are going to have a flip down door. So this is a hydraulically driven door, and this will flip down, giving you a much more, we call it beach mode. Just gives you a lot more real estate, a lot more entertaining space back here on the swim platform. As we make our way into the cockpit, you're gonna have really nice wraparound L-shaped seating back here with your teak tables. And then over here, you are going to have your summer kitchen. So you will have a Kenyan grill, whether you guys are cooking burgers, hot dogs, a couple steaks out on the water with you. And you also will have a sink in here. To expand the summer kitchen, this backrest actually transforms into a nice prep station. And then when you're done with it, hides right back into the gunnel, into a backrest. You are going to have a fridge freezer combo. And then moving up to the helm on this boat, one thing I also want to mention is the hardtop on this boat. This is an absolutely beautiful hardtop, brand new to the 360 SLX, and you will have a automated sure shade. So this will extend out over your sunbed, give you a little bit of shade out there on those hot days. Twin dual captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters. And then here at our dash, absolutely gorgeous dash, brand new for this year. You're going to have your twin Simrad multifunction displays. These are the ultra wide displays. So this is going to give you everything from your controls for all of the lighting, overhead lights, underwater lights, running lights, sure shade, basically most of the controls on the boat. And then you also have your depth finder, your chart plotter, and then your Mercury screen with all of your Mercury data. Over here, you're going to have your Mercury digital throttle and shift, as well as your integrated joystick and bow thruster. So, whether you're maneuvering in a tight marina or you're just pulling the boat into the slip at night, that joystick and that integrated thruster just makes maneuvering and docking this boat so simple. All right, moving up into the bow of the 360 SLX, you are going to have some designated fender storage. So instead of digging through your compartments, trying to find the fenders, it's all right here. Just grab and go. And then again, up here in the bow, you're going to have a absolutely gorgeous space. Again, teak table package, flip down armrests. You'll also have filler cushions that can go in here, which will give you a nice big sunbed. So, soak up some of them rays out here in Georgia. And then up front, we'll give you access to your stainless steel windlass anchor. All right, heading down into the cabin of the 360 SLX. You're gonna have a ton of room down here, nice U-shaped seating down here. You will have a flat screen TV right here, and then this will actually fold down and convert into a bed, whether you're doing some short overnight trips or you wanna put the kids down in some AC and get them out of the heat for a little bit. This is a great space to do that. All right, now we are in the head compartment. You will have a nice sink as well as a vacuum flush head. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for taking the time to walk through the 2026 Sea Ray 360 SLX with me. There's a ton more to check out on this boat. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at MarineMax.com, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, visit us here at Baldridge MarineMax Lake Lanier.